Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Tuesday, April 7th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed higher, with the Dow Jones gaining approximately 0.4%. The S&P 500 rising approximately 0.4%, and the Nasdaq advancing approximately 0.5%. Marking a fourth straight session of gains for the broader indices. The upside came despite volatility, as investors tracked U.S.-Iran tensions and oil price swings, with cautious optimism around potential negotiations supporting sentiment. Asian markets opened mixed to slightly weak today, with Japan's Nikkei slipping around 0.3%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng declined 0.7%. In contrast, South Korea's Kospi showed mild resilience, trading slightly in the green. Elevated oil prices and geopolitical tensions continue to keep global sentiment cautious. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 22,887, thereby indicating a negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices remain elevated above $110 as escalating U.S.-Iran tensions and uncertainty around the Strait of Hormuz continue to disrupt supply and keep markets highly volatile. Gold prices are trading slightly lower as rising bond yields and reduced expectations of rate cuts weigh on bullion, although geopolitical risks are preventing a sharper decline. Jubilant FoodWorks reported a strong Q4 performance, with revenue rising 19% year-on-year to 2,505.8 crore rupees. The company also expanded aggressively, adding 69 stores and taking its total store count to 3,663. PC Jeweler posted robust growth, with Q4 revenue up around 32% and full-year revenue rising 49%. The company also reduced its bank debt by 23% and has expanded globally by setting up a mining arm in Chad. ACME Solar continues to scale up its energy storage projects, commissioning new phases of its BESS projects across Rajasthan. These additions strengthen its renewable energy portfolio and mark steady progress toward its large-scale capacity targets. A negative opening is expected for Nifty today as it carries over mixed to negative sentiment reflected in the Asian markets today morning, which corrected mostly due to crude oil prices, which refused to correct below $100 per barrel. Supports for today can be placed at 22,740, followed by 22,470, while resistances on the upside will be at 23,025, followed by 23,280. Unless there are positive cues from the domestic markets, a negative bias can be expected to prevail. Rising crude oil prices, FII outflows, RBI policy uncertainty, and geopolitical tensions are keeping Indian markets volatile and under pressure. However, strong DII support and any easing in oil prices or global tensions could drive a short-term recovery. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 8,167 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 8,089 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on April 7th, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.